To access the cam, the surrounding contact block will need to be removed. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two body screws that are in line with the contact block, as well as the body clamps that are located underneath them. Grip the contact block and simply slide it off the body of the joystick. Please make an effort to keep the joystick stationary from this point forward. If the joystick has in-body detent stops, they may fall out of place if the joystick is flipped. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that's located on top of the cam. To remove the cam, use a flathead screwdriver to wedge the cam off of the shaft. Before installing the new cam, use this opportunity to lightly grease the exposed detent, roller groove, and pin. This quick task will ensure the longevity of your joystick's core mechanical parts. Grab the new cam and put that onto the shaft. Once mounted, apply light grease to the bottom of the cam. Assemble the small lock washer and screw, then tighten the screw onto the cam using a flathead screwdriver. Once tight, the contact block will now need to be reinstalled. Find the side of the contact block that has two small pins and then slide the block back onto the body of the joystick with the pin side facing down. Add the two body clamps and two Phillips screws back on in each corner. You may need to push down on the contact block slightly to allow the clamp to sit flush. And now your joystick is ready to go. Thanks for watching. For more service and maintenance information, visit our website or contact us today.